Hello all and happy Monday. Today we are starting our Unit 2 for Science, Investigating Force. So make sure you have your science journals and a pencil ready to go. And in your table of contents, I want you to write under your Unit 2, Mixtures and Solutions, write Unit 2, Investigating Force in your table of contents. Once you get your investigating force table of contents written down, turn to your next new clean page inside of your journal and also write Unit 2 Investigating Force as the heading of your new clean page. Pause the video here and make sure that you have those written down in your table of contents and on a new clean page. All right, so our very first vocabulary word that we are going to be writing down, and inside your journals, I want you to write the vocabulary word and its definition. The first one is force, a push or a pull that causes an object to move, stop, or change direction. So write that down in your journals. Pause the video here if you need to. The next one you will write down is friction. A force that resists the motion of two surfaces sliding across another. So you have in the picture motion going one direction and friction is going in the opposite direction. I always like to think of my gym shoes on the floor if I'm running and I go to a stop. That friction is the rubber on the bottom of my shoes rubbing against the floor, causing me to stop. So write friction, a force that resists the motion of two surfaces sliding across one another. Next one is gravity. The force that causes objects with mass to attract another. The stronger the mass, the stronger the distance, or the stronger the attraction is. And then the effective mass and the effective distance, the weaker, the further they are apart. So think about mass and distance. The stronger they are attracted, the closer they are together. The weaker they are attracted, the further they are apart. Gravity is the force that causes objects with mass to attract to each other. Stronger attractions closer, weaker attractions further. Pause the video here and write down that definition. Magnetism, pushing or pulling force produced by a magnet. So here you have your north end and south end, and you can see the metal shavings, and there is that magnetism. It looks like little waves coming off. That is magnetism, pushing or pulling a force produced by a magnet. Pause the video and write that one down. Movement, a change in position or location. As the trucks are moving down the road, they are changing the position that they are in and location. Movement, a change in position or location. Position, where an object is located. Think about the airplane. Where is it located? It is located in the sky. Position, where an object is located. Pull, a force that causes something to move closer. Pulling means bringing an object closer to you. Make sure you write that down. And a push is a force that causes something to move away. So pull is closer to you. A push is pushing it away. And that is our last vocabulary. Now we are going to switch to a couple of the videos on STEMscopes. I have assigned them to you to watch them on STEMscopes if you want to do it separately. If you're following with me, we will watch them together, and I'll see you there.